Hey guys, welcome back to Tech Time, and these are the Sony WH-H910N. There's no way I was ever gonna memorize that. I tried, but I couldn't. Anyway, before we get started, let's see the unboxing. Right, so here we have the unboxing. Let's get this box open. It on the box it says made for iPhone, iPod, and then there's like the small Android logo. Yeah, I really did struggle to get this get the box open. A lot of glue in there. So, all right, now we're in. A little confusing to get the box out. Then I just pull it out, I think. Oh, wait, hold up. And there we go. More glue. I think here's where I'm able to take it out. Yep. It's just a little cover. And then I put it on its side. And some instructions and the headphones. Our Sony headphones. Some instructions on how to connect it. Let's just get rid of that. Oh, actually, that's it. Download the app. Yeah. And those are the headphones. Yeah. So let's. I really hated the way they packaged this. So yeah, those things. So let's just get rid of those, and then we'll get to the what's it called? The headphones themselves, and the rest of the things that comes in the box. La 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 la. Put some old music on. Ba 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 ba. There we go. We've got our Sony headphones in their full glory. Yeah. Oh, it's got the USB-C power button. Yeah. Ooh, yeah. Okay. Past me, can you please, get to the other stuff? Yep, okay, thank you. It's almost like you heard me. Hurry up. I know that's what you're gonna be saying. So we got a little baggie. Yeah, so that's where we're gonna keep. Is that what I think it is? It's a USB Type C cable. Yes. Oh yeah. Oh. Past me having a little trouble unboxing. Yep. We got USB Type A to USB Type C. And we got little instructions. We really don't need to see them. Limited warranty. I saw that. I never really used it. But yeah. And then we got some connection stuff. Yeah, some manuals. And last but not least, our aux cable. I decided to leave it in like there. Because why not? And let's throw away the box. So, let's go back to the video. Okay, we're back. Alright. Anyway, so as you saw in the unboxing, it comes with this. I'm probably restating myself because I'm probably saying all this in voiceover now. But as you saw, and during the unboxing, I probably said it in voiceover. But as you saw, we have it came with this, a little bag, USB-C cable, yes, and an aux cable. So the aux cable is for, let's say, a computer, because for some reason I'm unable to connect it to my computer or a Windows computer, because I had it on a Mac, and so I used the aux cable. And another thing is, if you want to connect to your phone, you have to download the Sony Headphones Connect app and register it. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to connect it. Yeah. So, the I/O on this basically is a control button to switch between noise canceling, and ambient sound mode, which is like transparency mode. And then there's the power button, an indicator light, USB Type C, an aux, a headphone jack, and what's it called? Microphone. Am I in focus here? Alright, let me just check. Okay, I hope I'm in focus now. I think I'm in focus because I don't have a camera monitor, so I can't see anything. So the noise cancellation, as I almost put this on the wrong way, is very, 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 very good. All the controls are on this swipe controls. So fast forward, go back, volume up, volume down, double tap to pause play, and hold for the voice assistant. And another cool feature about this, I'm pretty sure it was in the Sony WH-H910N thingies. Those, they're flagship headphones. So if you're listening to music and someone comes along and they want to talk to you, normally on some headphones you just go, huh? But this time, you can just go like this. Huh? And so what it does is, it will basically lower the sound of music where you can just barely hear it, and you'll be able to hear everything else that's going on around you. And speaking of everything else, hearing everything else that goes along around you, in the Sony Headphones Connect app, that's the name of the app, you can control the way the headphone sounds, and how strong the noise canceling is. Do you want it like, I don't want to hear anything, I just want to listen to my music and nothing else, or I want to be aware of my surroundings and I want to hear like the cars running by from outside, you know, people talking, simple as that. Yeah. Do you want that, or do you want noise canceling? That basically is up to you. But I always use it. Oh, sorry. I always use noise canceling, and I was testing it on a trip. It's I've been using this for like a few days now. I didn't hear it. So I was in the car on the freeway. I could hear the wheels moving, but if I put up the volume of the music, they didn't hear that. And I couldn't hear anyone else who was talking in the car. So that was a good thing. So that means these work. These are, how do I say it? They feel nice. You want to feel? Here. There you go. Yeah, so, I mean, overall, these things are some great headphones. Oh, yeah, did I tell you the price? These are some good headphones, but the price is only $128. I mean, that's how much I got these for. So, if you're looking to get some good quality headphones and don't want to spend a lot, here you go. These are some headphones you really should get because they've got some good sound and at a very low price. 128. I'm pretty sure the Bose Quiet Comfort 2 QC2 are like 350. 325. Yeah. So good sound. Good features, pretty new, came out May 21st, 2020. I almost said 2018. I wish I could go back there. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. Hope you liked the video. If you did, leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.